Hi everyone, Michelle Unger with Quality PC Training with another tip. This week we are going to look at Microsoft Word and how to add and remove watermarks. So watermarks are a way to put things like confidential, draft, things that you want to put information into your document, but you don't want it to be as big and as dark as an image. So you want it to be kind of faded out. So we're going to take a look at our document over here. So I'm going to switch over to the other section over here, and we're taking a look at our Word document. So it's really pretty simple to do this. All you do is you're going to go to your design menu and you're going to go right over here to where it says watermark. So when I click on watermark, I see there are some built-in watermarks. So I've got confidential, 1, 2, do not copy, and then I've got these. So these are considered text watermarks, and they come in some different varieties here. There are also some additional ones, urgent. There's also more watermarks from office.com. So if I click on that, that's going to take me to some different watermarks on Office, and I can make a custom watermark. So a custom watermark could include a logo. It could include text that you create. So if I wanted to, for example, do a picture watermark, for example, I could select a picture. Maybe I want to do a Bing search for the word draft. I don't know if that's going to work, but we'll see. There we go. So I can use that picture one right there, and it automatically applies it as a washout. So as soon as I apply that and close this, I can see, and you may not even be able to see it right away, but when I go ahead and print, I will be able to see the word draft in the background there. So it's kind of washed out. All right, so now what if you decide, I don't really want that, I want to get rid of it? So you can simply go in to that watermark, choose remove watermark, and it takes it out. Now, if you wanted to put a custom watermark in that is text, perhaps you want to put your company name in here or something of that regard. You can also change the color too. So maybe you do want it to be a little bit darker. So I'm just going to go a little bit darker. You can change it from horizontal to diagonal. And this time I'm putting in my company initials, applying it, pressing OK, and closing. And again, I'm going to go ahead and check my print preview, and I can see now it is going horizontal rather than vertical. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that watermark so that I'm back to the beginning. So that is how you add and remove watermarks in Word. Thank you. See you next time.